So real quick, how do you triple 1/2 of a cup? So if you want to triple 1/2 of a cup, how do you do that? So let's think about it visually, and then we'll do it the math way. So we have a cup here. Each one of these is 1 cup, and we have 2 pieces. So 1/2, each one is 1/2. Let's take and just move this half up here. And you can see now we have 1 and 1/2 cup. So when we triple 1/2 of a cup, we get 1 and 1/2 cups. So that's one way to think about it. Let's do it the math way. We're just going to take 1/2 times 3. I like to have it 3 over 1 though. 3 divided by 1 is still 3, but everything lines up nice because when we multiply fractions, we multiply the numerators, then the denominators. 1 times 3, that equals 3. 2 times 1, that equals 2, and we get 3 over 2. This is an improper fraction, but we can change it to a mixed number because 1 times 2, that's 2 with 1 left over. So 1 times 2 is 2, so we'd have 1 left over up here. We bring the 2 across, and we end up with 1/2, which is what we found before. So 1/2 times 3 is 3/2 is an improper fraction, or if you want a mixed number, 1 and 1/2. It's Dr. B. Thanks for watching.